guys, how are you doing? Hopefully you're having a great day. We are currently packing for a little fishing trip, a little fishing / car camping trip. Let me show you guys. I got the boat all ready to go. Net, very important. We got the rods. This is all of our food and drinks for the 2 days, day and a half, I guess. Clothes. This is our bedding. And of course, we got a family fun mix of chips. So yeah, Aaron and I are heading up north for a little day and a half, I guess. It's already like 9 o'clock. A day and a half fishing trip. We're gonna be truck camping overnight. So we got an air mattress, some bedding and all of that. I'm gonna show you guys how we figured that out. Let's get going, and I'm gonna talk about what we're gonna be fishing for in the car. Let's go.
Never stop. Keep fishing, never stop. Canada tour. This is the Ladybass taking over for John B. We got Carrick driving.
But yeah, so today we're heading up to Zone 11. For all of you guys in the States, bass are closed in Southern Ontario, where we live, until the end of June. But there are zones in Ontario where bass open up a little bit earlier, or are open all year. So we're heading up north a couple hours, and we're going to Zone 11. In Zone 11, bass open up the 3rd Saturday of May, with some exceptions such as like Nipissing, but bass are open right now. So we are heading up and hoping to get on a couple. We don't know what water temps are. We've never fished this area. We have no idea what we're doing, but I think we can hopefully piece something together and get on some pre-spawn bass. Brian is getting there right now. We're a little bit behind. It actually just started raining, so that's not really cool, but we're gonna get up there. We're gonna go fishing tonight for a little bit, see if we can get the lay of the land. It's a pretty big area, so we'll see. And camp in the truck and a whole day tomorrow, so let's go. She's blowing a little bit, so it's a little it's a little choppy. We got a dock. That's perfect. I don't know how sturdy it is. Oh yeah, bud. That's Brian. That's Brian, yeah. That's Mr. Beck running around. Well, I think we're gonna fish some back protected bays today because it's windy. It's gonna calm down in the evening, and tomorrow's gonna be a calm day, but just a little choppy. It's not like bad to fish in, it's just gonna suck for video and it's gonna be cold, so we're gonna get the boat ready. Don't forget your prop, eh?
Good point.
Alright guys, it feels nice being able to actually catch bass. We got a plethora of moving baits. I got a Miyagi on, I got my glide bait rod, I got a jerkbait rod, Aaron's throwing a mag draft, and I got this little hustler jig ready to go because there's a log right there. I'm going to pitch it. But there's a little back there trying to escape the wind a little bit. See if we can find some bass cruising up here.
There's two right here, the fucking mule right here. Yeah.
Got him. Got him. No, a smallmouth. No, we're gonna boat flip him, I think. Just like that on the jerkbait. In the net.
There was one with.
It's a lot bigger, yeah. There you go, guys.
Size one.
My first in-season or first season bass of the year. He ate that jerkbait like second twitch, first cast. There's a lot of them cruising up shallow here, getting ready to spawn. They're still pre-spawn, but they're thinking about it. There you go, little one. Sweet. We're looking for a lot bigger ones, but that was pretty cool. Look at all the bait fish. Could those be fry? Could those be fry?
Maybe. I doubt it.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. Just munched it. It feels so good to be bass fishing again. Little guy, but bloop. A little jig with the LB Ace 30. Nice. Yep, largemouth. Yeah. Oh. He choked that. He choked that. He choked it, dude. Look at that. It's like a 2.
Yeah, that might be a 3. I would say they're high 2s.
Look how he ate that. Jeez. There you go, guys. First largemouth of the year for me. I don't know, 2.5 pounds probably.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Stick him back. He can go do his business. Probably a male. Not very thick. Yeah, it feels so good. Feels so good. But finally, I'm really shallow. Some of the bigger ones are actually off a little bit deeper and we're spooking them on accident. But I think we're figuring them out slowly, huh? Yeah. Straight up choke. There you go. Dude. They're grouped. They're like sitting right off the shallow spot. In like, I don't know, like 8 feet maybe?
Yeah. There's a lot of fish.
There's a lot of fish there. I think they're just like getting ready to go up and spawn, right? Yeah. Ate the jig. Need another trailer. Yeah. Oh, follower. Yeah, coming up. Ooh, smallmouth Aaron. I don't know. Dude, he ate it. Like I twitched it and oh, there's another one on me. This one's small though. There's a lot of fish. Oh! Did you see the largemouth?
No. It's big?
Dude, it's my PB largemouth.
No way.
No, I'm not kidding you. I'm not kidding you. It's my PB largemouth. They're staring at it. He's staring at it.
Bit?
Yeah. The big one. Alright guys, this is camp for the day. We got the boat. Got our food and everything that we had in the car on the boat, so we can do this. This is our camp for the night. Got a nice double queen mattress with a cover, and we got Aaron. So yeah, we're gonna start settling down for the night. The bugs are still pretty bad, but I think we're going to cook up some dinner and figure out if we're going to come back here or go to a different lake tomorrow. The thing is, we've seen some pretty big fish here and pretty big bass here. So we know they're there. We may have, you know, come up to the bank too close, and that's why we spooked them. But tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny, warmer, and less wind, so they might actually bite a little bit better tomorrow if we do stick it out here. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned for tomorrow's video or part 2 of this little series to see what we end up doing. But I'm gonna sign off for the night. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and stay tuned for the next episode.